The People's Liberation Army has recently conducted irresponsible and dangerous activity around the vicinity of Taiwan, threatening the safety and security of Taiwan and the region. Let me reiterate that Taiwan will firmly defend our sovereignty and security. President Tsai has made clear that we will not provoke, and yet we will not submit to coercion. This year's Double 10 National Day theme in Taiwan is centered around the concept of safeguarding our homeland and defending our country. We call it 守土卫国